is first. Since our bride is in charge of the household and soon she will become a mom and she will take care of her husband and the children. Now, I have a question for you. Are you ready to serve and sacrifice all for your husband, John, until forever?
Yes.
Yes! Okay. So, Chanel, let's do this. In 3, 2, and 1. Let's see how big is your love for John. Wow, ang laki buong slice ng cake. Okay, Chanel, let's do this. Okay, John, accept the love and the promise of your wife. In 3, 2, 1. Kayanin mo yan, Sir John. Kayanin mo. Kayanin mo. Alang-alang sa pagmamahalan nyo. Until forever yan, Sana all matapis ang pagmamahalan. Thank you so much, Chanel, for serving your husband. Now, same question with our groom. Now, John, same question. Are you ready to serve your wife and sacrifice all for your wife until forever? Dala kita. Makakabilaukan. Wala ba tayong tubig dyan? Tubig, please. Okay, kaya pa ba? Kaya pa dyan? Kaya. Kaya. Okay. Your answer, please.
Yes.
Para nagdadalawang isip ka,
Of course, yes.
Yes, of course, with conviction. Ladies and gentlemen, let's witness John serving his wife. In 3, 2, wow, ang laki naman. Chanel, kayanin mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Malaking pagbuka ng bibig. Yes. Kaya mo yan. Gina G! In 3, 2, 1. Grabe si John magmahal, no? Talagang buong-buo. At malaki ang pagmamahal niya. Kinaya ni Chanel. Gaano man kalaki ang pagmamahal kinakaya para sa kanilang pagsasamahan.